Welcome to IFBB Nordic Academy's personal trainer course. Our second course is starting this December. Curious about what's included? Let's dive in. Learn the art of motivation. We'll teach you how to set achievable goals, celebrate progress, and foster a positive mindset to make fitness dreams come true. Understand the body inside and out. Our course covers the muscle and skeletal structure, helping you design effective and personalized fitness programs. Customization is key. Learn to assess clients' fitness levels and build tailored training programs that mix strength, cardio, and posing workouts. Strength without injury. We'll show you how to guide clients to get stronger without pain, using proper form, rest, and safe techniques. Pinpoint the perfect exercise. Discover how to choose the most effective exercises for each movement, targeting specific muscles for optimal results. Diet and exercise in harmony. Explore how to balance macronutrients, time meals, and supplement effectively to transform lives through fitness. Go beyond the basics. Understand the science behind muscle growth, hormones, sleep, stress, and mental health to provide profound fitness guidance. Ready to become an IFBB certified personal trainer? Your future in fitness starts here.